Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income. What happens if your main hustle takes a hit? Market shifts, trends change, the unexpected happens. You gotta be prepared. You gotta diversify. We're talking about building multiple income streams so you're not relying on just one thing. Let's get started. First, let's break down the different types of income streams. You've got your active income, the stuff you work for directly, trading your time for money. This could be your main product, the service you offer, consulting gigs. Then you've got passive income. It's the money that comes in while you're sleeping, while you're on vacation. Think online courses, affiliate marketing, royalties, investments. Passive doesn't mean do nothing. It means you front-load the work. Building multiple streams of income often involves a combination of both active and passive strategies. Diversification is key. Don't limit yourself to just one type of income. The more diversified you are, the more resilient your business will be. Let's talk products versus services. Both have their pros and cons. Selling products can be great for scalability. You create it once and you can sell it 1,000,000 times. Services, on the other hand, are often easier to get started with. You're selling your expertise, your time, your skills. However, services are often less scalable. You're trading your time for money. The key is to find the right balance for your business. Think about how you can leverage both. Could your service be packaged into a product? Could your product be enhanced by a service offering? Explore different avenues and see what works best for you and your audience. You're an expert in your field. You've got knowledge and skills that people are willing to pay for. Creating and selling courses or workshops is a fantastic way to diversify your income and share your knowledge with the world. Can you teach people how to do something? Can you share your insights and strategies? Can you help them achieve their goals? This is a great way to generate passive income. You create the content once, and you can sell it over and over again. It's about packaging your knowledge in a way that's accessible, engaging, and valuable to your target audience. You've got something valuable to offer, so share it with the world and reap the rewards. Passive income, it's the dream, right? Making money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're working on your next big thing. Let's explore some passive income ideas for business owners. One option is creating digital products. Ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, software. Another avenue is affiliate marketing, partnering with other businesses and promoting their products or services in exchange for a commission. Real estate can be a powerful passive income generator, although it requires significant upfront investment. Investing in dividend-paying stocks or bonds can also provide a steady stream of passive income. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term wealth and creating financial freedom. It takes time, effort, and a strategic approach, but the rewards are well worth it. Affiliate marketing and partnerships are incredibly powerful ways to diversify your income. It's about leveraging the reach and influence of others to promote your products or services, and vice versa. Affiliate marketing is essentially recommending products or services you believe in and earning a commission on each sale. You can partner with businesses in your niche and promote their offerings to your audience. It's all about finding the right partners and building mutually beneficial relationships. Partnerships can take many forms: joint ventures, co-branded products, cross-promotions. Think about businesses that complement yours but aren't direct competitors. It's about building relationships, supporting each other, and growing together. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from active and passive income streams to products and services, monetizing your expertise, and the power of affiliate marketing and partnerships. The key takeaway here is to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Start small, start today. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Take action, experiment, and see what works. Building multiple income streams isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term stability, freedom, and control over your financial future. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more business tips and insights, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts and questions. Let's keep the conversation going. And remember, you got this. Go out there and diversify your income, dominate your market, and thrive.